How do, friends and neighbors? Nate Lowery here with Nate's Folk Corner, bringing you that down-home, old-time music. Got an old Jimmie Rogers tune for you today, Waiting for a Train. Goes a little something like this. A one, a two, a one, two, three, four. Well, all around the water tank, yeah, waiting on a train. Well, 1,000 miles from nowhere, baby, I'm sleeping in the rain. Well, I walked up to a brakeman, yeah, to give him a line of talk. Well, he said, if you got money, son, well, I see that you don't walk. Well, I haven't got a nickel, not a penny, can I show? Get off, you railroad bum. And he slammed the boxcar door. So mean, so mean. They put me off in Texas, yeah, a state I dearly love, with the wide open places around me and the blue skies up above. But nobody seems to want me or lend a helping hand. Well, I'm on my way from Frisco, I'm going back to Louisiana. Well, my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. Yeah, 100 miles away from home, just sleeping in the rain. I said, well, 100 miles away from home, just waiting on a train. Well, there you have it, friends. Waiting on a Train by Jimmie Rogers. If you enjoy what I do here and you'd like to support the channel, consider swinging by my shop, link in the description, and checking out some of my hand-carved wooden figurines, like this banjo picking frog right here. I surely would appreciate it. Till next time, happy trails.